Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Today we're expanding our cleanings from shoes and boots to leather car seats by collaborating with Leather Honey, because your leather is too important not to be taken care of properly, whether on your feet or in your car. And it doesn't stop there. Leather Honey's products are so gentle and safe on essentially every material found in your car, from vinyl, plastic, rubber, and more, so you never have to be afraid of damaging your investments like other products. So if you've been wondering how to clean your leather car seats without ruining them, you're in the right place. And today we'll be making it quick, simple, and easy. I hope you enjoy this cleaning. Let's get right into it. To get started, here's what you'll need. Grab yourself a bottle of Leather Honey's leather cleaner with UV Protectant, Leather Honey conditioner, and a microfiber cloth. The microfiber cloth is going to easily wipe up all that dirt and debris. The leather cleaner with UV Protectant will cut grime and protect your interior, and the conditioner is going to make your leather supple and flexible again. Of course, you guys will want to test all of your products in a small hidden area to prevent any unexpected results. Once it's safe and ready to go, we'll start with cleaning. Simply spray Leather Honey's cleaner onto a microfiber cloth and start gently wiping away the dirt. Make sure not to press too hard, as this can potentially damage your leather. Rather, you want to rely on Leather Honey's formula to fight the dirt and lift it up. If that doesn't come off on the first pass, spray and wipe until clean. When wiping down your leather, you'll want to use a circular motion in order to get the best results, but you won't damage your leather if you wipe up and down or side to side. Just make sure to wipe gently. And as I said earlier, Leather Honey's products are non-toxic and safe on, of course, leather, but virtually everything else in your car, such as vinyl, plastic, and more, leaving your items looking fresh and new without any harsh chemicals. Do note that their products are not meant for any digital navigation screens, but feel free to have at it on the rest of your car. And a plus is that you'll get that UV protection wherever you clean. Now, some things to know about why I personally like Leather Honey. It's made in the USA and it's gentle and non-toxic. It's perfect for cleaning and restoring everything from leather jackets and car seats to even furniture. And as you'll see, it cuts grime without harsh chemicals and deep cleans your leather so it lasts longer, and in some cases makes it like new again. On top of that, it's reasonably priced, and I was even able to snag you guys a deal with Leather Honey's CEO to help you guys get an even cheaper price when you use my code AVUMMIES at leatherhoney.com. And if you don't believe me, feel free to check out Leather Honey's 50,000 plus 5-star reviews on Amazon. And guys, a quick tip, make sure you're rotating which side of the cloth you're using to wipe as you clean throughout your car in order to prevent rubbing the dirt into the leather. By changing sides of the cloth, you can clean better and keep your leather from scratching. Also guys, feel free to clean up your plastic door panels as well, and as you see, it makes quick work of some of the dirtiest parts of your car. Heading over to the driver's seat, which is definitely going to be the dirtiest seat of the car, unless that is you have kids or pets in the back seat, we can see years of buildup just coming off. Leather Honey recommends spraying directly onto the cloth, but you can also spray onto the leather directly if needed. One of the most important parts after cleaning is conditioning, and this is because leather needs to be rehydrated in order to maintain its flexibility, otherwise it'll crack. Simply apply conditioner directly onto the cloth, test a hidden spot, and if it's good, have at it. Do note that Leather Honey's conditioner is safe on all finished leather and will control mildew, provide water repellency, and leave no oily residue if applied properly. After applying the conditioner, you guys are going to ideally wait 24 hours to let it soak into the leather and then wipe off any remaining excess. But in all reality guys, modern leather car seats are so heavily coated that the conditioner may not really penetrate all the way through, but it can still hydrate the coating, which will enable your car seats to maintain its flexibility and prevent cracking. And to be even more realistic, you guys will probably need to drive your car within 24 hours, so feel free to wipe off the excess when you need to drive the car, but wait as long as possible for the best results. It won't be sticky or oily if you allow it to dry properly and then wipe off the rest, contrary to what others have said. And that's a wrap. Let me know what you guys think of these results with Leather Honey products. I can't wait to hear how your guys' leather car seats turn out. And if you thought this video was as cool and awesome as I did, share the video with your friends and quickly hit that like button. And if you guys want to see more videos in your feed on how to properly care for your leather, subscribe now. If you like this video, you'll probably want to check out these ones next on how to clean your leather footwear. I don't know about you guys, but I have to go clean the rest of this car. I'll see you guys in the next one.